Hello everyone, have you got a Nissan Almera that's got this whining or noise that's coming from the pulley, but once it's warmed up it's totally fine? So I think mine's low on power steering fluid, and so it's making this noise. It's a bit warm today, 33 degrees, so you can't hear it as bad as when it's like a cold day, but I hope you can hear that. Basically that's not that bad now, but it sounds really bad when it's in cold. There you go, I'll put it into drive just to give you an idea. Can you hear that? Let's see if we can resolve it. So I've opened up the power steering reservoir. I don't think you can see it because it's so mucky, but if we look in here, it's below the minimum, so it's a telltale sign. As you can see from here, it's probably seeping somewhere, not from the pipe there because that pipe looks quite dry, but it might just be seeping from the edge, but definitely it's below the minimum. So I'm going to top that up with some brake fluid and let's see if that fixes it. Here we go. Okay, now I filled it up. Let's see what happens. Let's go inside. Okay, so I'm inside. So initially it might still do it while the fluid goes around, but let's try anyway. Here we go. I've got EML light on. Ooh. Okay, so if I put it into drive, put some pressure into the system. Let's see. Remember when I did this before? Look at that. All sorted. Happy days. Look at that. If I hold it like before. So there's an initial and then it goes, look. So it's not that squeaking pulley noise anymore. There you go. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!